Died from diseases. It was, you know, pretty crazy time during the 17. I think they were occupying Boston in 1776.
Hey, what the heck was that?
I think it's some kind of fancy one.
What the heck is that?
The helicopters and
Yeah, it sounds like
Boston Commons, right?
Exactly. I think one thing to note about this place that's very interesting is that if you notice, this is separate from the rest of the cemetery too.
Yeah.